I'm Jerry Taft, Personal Real Estate Corporation and a realtor with Mountain Town Properties, and I'm based in Windermere, BC, and this is my new listing. This is unit number 26 at the Williams Manufactured Home Park in Windermere, BC, 4775 Wood Lane. So this is a completely redone, I don't even want to call it a mobile home. It does not seem like a mobile home at all. So we're going to show you all of the upgrades and how amazing this looks on the inside and the outside. But let's suspend everything you think you know about manufactured homes and take a look at this beauty. So let's go take a look. All right, so I'm standing in the driveway right now, and one of the first things to highlight is you have easily parking for at least two decent sized vehicles, and if you stack the parking, you could get almost 4 vehicles in the driveway. You've got beautiful views. It's a little bit cloudy right now, but there's some glimpses of Mount Swansea and the Rocky Mountains to the east. And then I'm going to kind of pan around here so you can see you're at the upper level of the park. Little cul-de-sac up here. It's a very quiet park. No rentals, no pets, and a lot of long-term owners in here. So here is the first little glimpse at the home. Brand new siding, brand new roof, brand new windows and doors. The new skirting is coming very soon, so that will be finished very soon. There was insulation added underneath, and drywall. Everything is brand new inside, as you'll see soon. But just want to kind of show you the space here. You've got a really nice amount of side yard, and a number of decks. So you've got the front entrance deck, you have this large side deck over here, and with this location on the kind of west edge here, you've got a green space down below, and so there are no trailers or neighbors or anything below you, so really good location. Just going to show you here, there's also a shed as well. So just a quick little view to the west here, and you can kind of see a bit of the Purcell Mountains and the sunsets over here on this side. So we've got, this is sort of showing you the south side of the trailer. Got a large shed here. So yeah, good sized shed, lots of storage. The heat pump's going to be installed soon. You'll see on the inside that one of the bedrooms has this exterior access right here, this other little side deck. And let's go enter into the home. So we're going to pop into the little mudroom here and check out the house. All right, so we're inside. Nice little mudroom here, and a logical location to enter. Before we see the rest of the home, just going to kind of pan around. There is a full entry closet as well, and nice amount of space. Good little gear room for entering the home. And so as you enter, you really get the feeling that this is a brand new single family home. It doesn't feel like a condo, and it definitely does not feel like a single wide trailer. Drywall, you have quartz countertops, everything is refreshed and brand new feeling. It's really been rebuilt, completely redone. Insulated, built to a single family home style and standard. Beautiful baseboard, beautiful trim, really nice layout as well. So just going to show you quickly, you've got the living room, which is a few steps down, got a pellet stove and a heat pump. Nice open space here for the living room. And as you kind of pan around, this leads to sort of a natural dining room area and very open concept kitchen. As mentioned, you know, beautiful countertops. Everything shows really well. Since the renovation's been completed, no one has lived in the home, so it practically is brand new. So before I show you the rest of the house, let's go check out this bedroom here on the front. And again, depending on your living configuration, you know, this would be a very bright bedroom, lots of morning light, lots of windows. And also depending on the situation, if you're working from home, this would be an amazing home office. It could be also be a rec room, second kind of living room. There's a lot of options with the space. But you'll just notice like these really nice windows, and the views of the Rocky Mountains from this location are excellent. So just gonna continue along here. So we're back into the kitchen area, and I'm gonna continue to show you this side here as we go through the living room. It leads over to, we've got one of the 2 full baths. So So over here we've got a full bath with a shower. Again, completely redone, in really good condition. And then this leads over to, in a sense, the second bedroom. And so again, could be used as a bedroom, could also be used as an office or other uses. But nice sized room, and then it has this separate access here with a little side deck, and then some amazing views kind of to the southwest. And that was sort of the shed and stuff over there. So yeah, very versatile space. And let's continue on. All right, so leaving the kitchen here, we have this hallway. And so we've got a propane furnace. So there is multiple heating sources here. You've got a forced air propane furnace, pellet stove, heat pump, and then a little bit of baseboard heat as well. So well covered with different heating sources. This room here does not have any windows, but again, another versatile room, you know, perfect for storage, could also be an office. Lots of different options, oversized walk-in closet, pantry, you name it. So as we kind of continue along here, let's go see this side deck. So this is a really large side deck. Again, incredible views, nice side yard space, perfect for kids and family to play, just to enjoy a barbecue and relaxing. It's private, it's quiet, and you get a little bit of sun from the west side, but overall, you know, this is facing kind of north and northeast, so it would be a really usable deck in the summer. All right, so here's our second full bath. So this one, again, consistent countertops, really nice brand new bathtub, and this is where the washer and dryer would go. So it's all roughed in and planned for the washer and dryer right here. All right, and then this is the third bedroom. So two of the three bedrooms are actually very large, and so it's kind of a debate which one is actually kind of the master. This one might be the master because you've got a full bath nearby, and it's a really good size. And again, you're facing west, but you have some tree cover there, super private back here. Great location. This is a beautiful home, and it is nothing like the traditional single-wide trailer or manufactured home. This feels like a real single-family home, and it's turnkey, ready to move in, no renovations necessary. A great layout. All three bedrooms are separated from each other. You have that bonus kind of storage room. It's ready to go. This is a perfect option for full-time living, and it's worth noting this park does not allow rentals or pets, but the pad rental fee is reasonable, and this is an affordable living option. So check out the 3D tour and reach out to myself or your realtor for more information. Thank you.